how to find your Kraken wallet address. Hey guys, in this video, I'll guide you through how to find your wallet address on Kraken. Alright, so let's begin. First of all, log into your Kraken account on the website. After that, click on the transfer option. Then select the cryptocurrency that you want to deposit. For example, if you want to deposit Ethereum, select Ethereum or choose another crypto that you want to deposit. Over here, make sure to select the correct network matching the one used on the other exchange. Then choose the method, either smart contract or native. Next, you'll see your deposit address right here. Simply copy this address and use it on the other exchange when sending your crypto. After sending the crypto using the same network and method, it will arrive in your Kraken account. So that's basically how you can find your wallet address on Kraken. That's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you found it helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.